Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up the dialer app right here and then go into contacts, because the settings applies to each category apparently. So if you go through contacts, you will actually see the import and export. Anywhere else you don't. So let's tap on it, and then you want to choose import from SIM card. Then it shows you all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. So you can either select all of them by just tapping on the button right here, or you can just select them manually by tapping on the ones that you want. And once you selected everything that you want, tap on import. It will give you import to contacts. So I have a phone, just tap on that and you're done. Now the contacts have been imported. So you can also see them right now. There is 2 contacts that are on the device based on the fact that they're missing the SIM icon on the side right here. So the ones that have this icon, the grayish kind of thing, I'm not sure how visible it is on the camera, but you can see that right here there is none, and also here you don't see any. So those are the 2 contacts that I moved. So that is basically how you would copy contacts from your SIM card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.